to get the banks to work with you and not cause havoc and cause hell and shut you down. That's what this video is all about. Hey there, Carey Buck here. Independent ATM business owner since 2009, ATM business mentor since 2011. That's where I teach people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable ATM business. Why would you want to start an ATM business? Personal for each person. Some folks want to get out of their 9 to 5. That was my deal. Some folks want to have a better retirement or supplement their retirement. Some folks want to stop investing a lot of capital for a decent return and instead would like to invest a minimal amount of capital for a decent return. Some folks just finally want to put their money to work for them instead of always working for their money, right? So a variety of reasons. It's going to be personal for each person. Why should you have me help you start your own ATM business? I'm going to save you time, money, and headaches, all right? If you'd like me to help you start your own ATM business, go to atmtrainingvideo.com. Again, that's atmtrainingvideo.com. Okay, so somebody asked the question, how do I get the banks to work with me and not wreak havoc and cause hell and shut me down? This is real simple, guys, okay? Real simple. And I don't mean dealing with the banks is simple, right? I mean, getting your bank account open is not that simple for an ATM business. But getting it open, having it open, having no issues with the bank, that's simple, right? Once you have it open. The first thing is, don't lie to them to get a bank account. Okay, don't tell the bank, oh yeah, I just need to open a business bank account for my gumball business or for my sales business or service business, right? Where you're being, I can't even think of the word. Since we've been in this whole coronavirus shutdown thing, my brain is not working properly. I'm just going to throw that out there right now. But don't be like kind of sneaky about it or not tell them exactly what it is. Tell them exactly what it is. I'm starting an ATM business, period. Okay. That's number one. Be honest with them. Okay. If you're not honest with them and they find out, and they will find out at some point, you're going to get shut down. So just be honest from the jump. Okay. That's number one. Number two, follow all the rules that they want you to follow, right? Give them all the things they want you to give them. Some banks will require certain kinds of paperwork in the beginning. Some want a list of your locations. Whatever it is, whatever they want you to do. Okay? And some banks might require 2 bank accounts. One for your settlement funds, one for your surcharges. If that's what they want, do it. Okay? And if they want those 2 accounts, most likely they don't want anything to happen in that settlement account except money going in the machine, money coming out. Money going in the machine, money coming out. That's all they want, right? So if they see some other transaction, they don't want that. They don't want you to use your debit card for that account, right? So whatever they want, do it, okay? And then the final thing I'll say is don't put your ATMs in businesses your bank doesn't want them in. They don't want them in dispensaries, right? So if you have an ATM at a dispensary, yes, we all know you're going to make a shit ton of money. Of course, right? That's what you're going to make in dispensaries. But your bank doesn't want you in a dispensary. So if they find out you're in a dispensary, guess what happens to your account? It gets shut down. It's that simple, So if you do the things the bank wants you to do, everything will be fine, right? Another thing is, I should add this one. This is not as major, but if you're taking out X amount of money every week, let's say 20 grand or 30 grand or whatever, and if they ask you for a heads up, hey, call me every Monday to let me know how much money you want on Thursday or Friday, or call me every Thursday or Friday, let me know how much money you want on Monday or Tuesday, whatever they ask you to do for your money, do it, right? Give them the heads up. Don't just come in tomorrow and say, hey, by the way, I need 30 grand. You got it? And then be pissed at them because they don't got it because you didn't call them and give them a heads up, right? So just make it easier for the bank to make your life easier. Does that make sense? But those are the 4 main things that you should be doing to make life just fine with the bank. This is after you get the account, of course, right? So the getting the account, that's that's can be a bear of a problem, especially if you're in California. California is probably like, of all my students when it comes to getting bank accounts, California is like the suckiest state to get a bank account for an ATM business. Don't get me wrong, you'll get a bank account. It's just probably going to be a pain in the butt, like big time. And you're going to have patience and persistence, all right? Every other state is usually, I mean, it's still not as just easy as walking in and say, hey, I want a bank account for my ATM business, but it's way easier than California. All right, so hopefully that makes sense. If you got any questions, hey, first of all, don't forget to like this video. Give me a thumbs up, like this video. Don't forget to click that little ATM right there and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell and click all, so every time I upload a video, you're notified right away of the video, okay? But if you have any questions, post them below. All right, post them below. I answer all the questions myself. Sometimes, for whatever reason, I don't see the questions. So if I don't answer, I'm sorry. Just ask again, right? I promise I'll answer. When I see them, I answer them right away. But for some reason, sometimes they fall on the wayside. I don't even know why. And if you have any suggestions for a future video, put that down there too. All right. Listen, I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. If you need help, go to atmtrainingvideo.com. atmtrainingvideo.com. I'm Carey Buck. I'll talk to you soon, and may you live happily off of passive income. And don't forget to stay safe out there. Talk to you soon.